MSI built a massive 1080p touchscreen into this PC, and that somehow isn't the coolest thing about it. I'm in love with this, and I want you to know more. This is MSI's new MEG Vision X AI series of flagship pre-builds that they plan on launching later this year. And yes, I said AI because, well, everything at Computex this year had something to do with AI, and this is no exception. This case uses MSI's home-built AI engine, which works with its massive touchscreen to help take your gaming experience to a literal other level. Of course, what we'd expect is the standard quick access things like internal temperature and lighting controls and whatnot, but on top of that, it actually optimizes your PC settings on the fly and gives you access to image generation features similar to Midjourney, but completely locally. So there's no reason to connect to the cloud and have Adobe steal all of your stuff. Adobe scandal, I also made a video on that. Anyways, the assistant runs on Microsoft's new Copilot and basically turns this case into a smart speaker device with voice recognition and a built-in speaker. So yes, you can, while the PC is switched off, say, "Hey, PC, turn on," and it'll do that. The screen itself is actually pretty cool too. It's not just a gimmick. You can actually use it as a second monitor if you prefer, which you just might because, well, what I didn't notice during the demo of this at Computex 2024 is that the software it runs on is quite laggy, so it'll probably be best to use it as a second screen for perhaps your chat while you're live streaming, or as a quick calculator. That's quite interesting. Anyways, you can do anything your heart desires with it. Well, almost anything. The MEG Vision X AI is built around MSI's Project Zero system, so all of the cables will be completely hidden, and you know they might eventually also ship with an option for the new CAM2 memory, which would be nice to see. It's a really cool concept from MSI, however, I think sadly it's going to be out of most people's budget, but it's really cool, and I made a whole video explaining what this new shape of RAM on the motherboard is. You can get a link to that video in the description below, but the real question here is, this Vision X PC case, although it is big and bulky and has a cool screen and a bunch of IOs on the front, is it special enough for you to spend quite a bit of money on getting it? I think for most of us the answer will be, I don't know. For me, however, having a case that basically looks like the Vision X, I might just wander into AI land and pick myself up one of these. Should I? Should I review it in person right here, pull it apart? Let me know in the comments below. My name is Stefan from Computex, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye. Yes, I speak very fast so that you don't click away before I get my view time. Watch this video next. Thanks. Yes, this one is good for you. Right here. That's great.